Hey bud, it's Randy Hanley with B&R Digital Marketing. Um, Sorry it's taking so long to get this video out. I've had some issues with my internet, but today in this video, I wanted to show you three things that you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. And I know you're probably sitting there thinking to yourself, what's in it for me? And you know, why would I be doing this? And to be honest, well, most times in the world of internet, most local businesses owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can really benefit them and their company. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things you can do to impact your business for free, results in more people calling me back that are interested after watching this video and, want to learn more. So, if that's what you want, give me a call back. If not, man, just, and you want to take this free plan, free advice and do it yourself, man, that's awesome too. So first I want to let you know, what an online presence can do for you, so what I've done here is I've typed in your business and it's not really popping up, it's not really popping up anywhere, and the main thing that we want to look for is what's in the Google Map back, so for instance, if I go over here to AC Repair in Shreveport, these top three right here, these are the Google My Businesses, and these are going to be the ones that show up in the top three every time. You know what I mean? They have citations, they have, Facebooks, they have yellow pages, citations and backlinks and keywords will help you get to the top three. And that's what we're focused on right here is getting you to the top three. And, how we do that is what I'll do is I get this, tool. It's called Ahrefs. It's about a $400 tool a month. If you want to use it, you can. And what it does is it uses Google. Google uses it to, pretty much show everything that this website's doing to get people in, how they're doing it, everything. So, for instance, Advanced AC, they're a pretty big company. What I would do is see they got, 130 keywords, and these keywords are crucial in ranking this website. So, advanced air conditioning. They're getting 10 air conditioning, Shreveport 50 air conditioning, AC report Shreveport 60. Air conditioning Shreveport 40. Um, you want to stay with the local words. These are all specific for advanced air, but for the most part, you want to stick around the HVAC Shreveport, 70. So just in those couple keywords, for instance, there's a couple hundred searches. So if you just converted 10% of that, you probably got 10 or 15 extra leads for sure. And if you could catch 10% of that, it's a couple jobs for you. So, the point is when it comes to the keywords, the backlinks and everything, this is how it ranks your page. This is what ranks your page. So this right here is the domain rating. This is how Google rates your website. It tells you whether they trust it or not. And these backlinks and everything, these are what is giving him this and this 26 and this 4.4 instead of 100. So 4.4 is very low, so we could easily outrank them, and all we would do is take their backlinks, the ones that are good. So this one is a 90 out of 100. We would come in here and copy and paste it, put it on your page. These right here, we're trying to rank you above them, so we're just going to use the stuff that's ranking them, and we would do that for Southern Air. They're another top competitor in this area, and we would do the same thing. So we'd come in here and we would take keywords that are ranking, and we would put them on your page. We would do the same thing for their backlinks. So for instance, they've got 1.99 thousand, almost 2,000 backlinks. So we could go on these backlinks and find out which backlinks are really bringing in the work for them. And we'll take those and put them on your website, and they're not all created equal. So, this is a 32 out of 100, 23, 88, 60. So these are good ones. We want all these on your page, Well, this is how we get you above them, and their position with certain words matters too. So For instance, they're ranked number 1 for Southern Area Shreveport. Let's see, AC Repair in Monroe. So they're ranked in second. So, we would, if you wanted to go to Monroe, we would try to get you first. Um, we can do whatever you want to do, bud. So, and here's another competitor, Brooks. It's the same thing. They have all these keywords, backlinks, everything, domains, and all we would do is just come in here and take the ones that are ranking them and put them on your page, and get you ranked up above them. And when it comes to building a website, like I said, you want to have content, you want to have pretty pictures, but you also want, you know, you want to do it right, because the website and how you build it is what matters. Because you can build a website and not do it right, and then no one ever see it. Like, yeah, you can have a website and then no one ever is going to see it. But if you do it right, you can easily outrank some of the top competitors in this area because even they don't even do it right. They're just a big company. So, for instance, like this picture right here is probably not even saved right. See, I mean, they got keywords heating, repair, service, so that's good. So, you know, again, so they're using the same thing. You'd want to change it up. You want to put the keywords and you hide them on the front end and on the back end. But other than that, man, the main three things I could give advice for would be, first get you a website, get online, get noticed, and then after that, you can pause this video, take the keywords and add them to your page and your content. And when you save pictures and stuff, save it right, and that'll help you rank. And just anything will get you noticed, and you want to get into the Google My Business deal in the top 3. So, that comes with, basically it's, we call those naps, and it's basically your name, address, and phone number. And that's what will get you up there. We need those in multiple backlinks, yellow pages, white pages, Facebook. It doesn't matter. We just got to get it on there. And, once you get that, we can definitely outrank you or get them out, get you outranking them. So, but anyways, man, if you're interested or anything, I appreciate any kind of feedback at all, even if you're not, man. So just give me a call if you're interested. If not, man, good luck with everything, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.